Hello everyone! So, it's a rainy day today, but we are on our way to
Chinatown!
Chinatown je kot.
Chinatown.
But our plans for today is where?
We going Chinatown, then Twilight,
Twilight, and then
Sunset. Then we are going to ikea.
okay, what's on the agenda today?
She's going to get some things for her thrift booth
Yes! So,
happening at Escape.
yes, skip. In a week's time, it was like super last minute, but it's gonna be my first booth, and now it's drizzling. But anyways, I need to get some stuff, and then I need to get some birthday presents for my niece and nephew. So yeah, see you guys at Chinatown. Bye. We have made it to the MRT station.
Yes!
And
It's so cold in Singapore leh. Need wear jacket leh.
Need to wear jacket leh.
Wow, very cold in Singapore, must wear jacket.
we are at where's the sign? They have like a Chinatown, New Year's, Chinese New Year, Chinese.
Yes, something like that.
Okay, but we're not going there. We're going to the place where I spent like most of my poly years. This lens is so zoomed in, but we'll make do. We are at level 2. It's where I find all my fabrics. Yeah. But now I'm gonna go to my nice show. Look at all the fabrics. And we are here. Whee! Masa kau jalan backwards? Okay, let's go. We're looking for a tablecloth, but I don't know if I should use fabric or like just plastic. It's so nice. Like if I buy fabric, I can just reuse it for like my own personal project. But when will I ever do it? I don't know. We have reached our second second spot. We are at, I don't know what's the name of this building honestly. But this is where I'm gonna find my beads. It's like hidden. It's like my own secret spot to get beads. Not secret lah actually, but yeah, still. Cakap lah something.
Yes.
Yes.
I want to find Mixue.
Tak ada mixture kat sini.
This one is shiny.
Nampak. This is nice. Tak estetik langsung dia tiba ni. Itulah. Sorry lah.
So, I went to tunjuk lah.
Yeah, it's showing.
Yeah. I came in saying that I'm gonna spend $20. Guess how much I spent?
How much? How much you spend?
35.
35.90.
Okay. It's for the business.
Business,
Okay,
small
macam
business.
mana? Small business thing. Next, we're gonna find Zara's Mixue. And then and we're going to Twilight.
Twilight. And we want to go Yumi Basics.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, so we are at
We cancelled the Mishway plan. Mishway plan. So we didn't end up getting Mishway. So we're now on our way to Suntec.
and we are very thirsty.
Thirsty home.
Oh, don't say that. YouTube will demonetize.
Apa je? Kau nak aku cakap apa? Baru tadi. So, record. Yeah, now we're walking. It's about 200 meters until Suntec City.
Yes.
Now we're walking towards exit C. Yeah,
exit C.
yeah. Oh God, dah jatuh pula. Budak pula tunjuk. Anjay.
So we have already reached Suntec and it's
Just exit C.
yeah, exit C and it is raining so heavily.
But it's nice. It's
Cooling.
oh, ada uncle tengah buat performance.
Uncle.
Hello, uncle.
So we'll see you guys at
Twilight. We are now at Toys R Us to look for gifts, birthday presents for my nephew and niece. Right now, I don't know what to buy for them because one of them is only primary 2 this year, and I don't know what primary 2 is like. I don't know. And like my sister keeps complaining that he has too many toys. So yet I'm in Toys R Us. Then my second niece, I don't know what she likes. She's like teenager. So kau macam bagus, saya macam ni macam. It's so funny being like in front of the camera. Yeah, so I don't know what to get for her also. What do teenagers like? Like they're into Hello Kitty coloring books for some reason. But I don't want to buy them.
They're into coloring books now.
Like
Maybe you get them
no, it's
Copic markers.
specifically just you already have.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, we'll see what I get.
So what did you get?
For my nephew, I got this. It's a bit over my budget, but I'm the coolest aunt ever. I swear, if you guys don't love me, asal orang tengok aku?
We bought it.
Now we're on the way to
Twilight, and we are very thirsty
so thirsty.
and a bit cranky already because we're not getting our like sweetness. Sugar.
Aku dah suka manis.
Second hand embarrassment.
Kau tak buat video yang how much I spend?
Okay, so now we are at Twilight. I think I'm going to spend at least
I think I'm
100.
gonna buy off day off.
Bet lah.
Or roti.
Okay.
I want something refreshing.
But we try to find balang first. Okay, so how much are you think you're going to spend?
$10.
Are you sure?
Yes.
$10. Okay. I think I'm going to spend 150.
Eh, apa yang ada watermelon sih?
Okay, bye.
Itu kasih malu.
Kita beli ayam apa?
Apa kau?
Cosmos has been isolated.
So cute.
Where are we at?
Whoever guys. Remember Pai tahu aku actually we were supposed to meet today.
I overlooked my calendar.
Today is Saturday.
Every Friday look.
Oh yeah, it's Friday. Wow.
Oopsie.
Yeah.
I'll see you. Love you. What are we getting?
Like, this convention.
We got Hai kat tepi.
Vanilla blue.
Got bubblegum. And we got Nami Takoyaki. Tak suka tak? Lu kena buat macam influencer. I got a small one. Oh, what's that?
I got the box of 10 for them. Ready?
Yeah.
And this is mine.
Harap-harap jatuh.
Compare size.
Ini apa je? Mine the octopus.
Mine is the prawn.
But then Lu, we were supposed to share, but she don't want. So yeah, we got separate. Oi, dah baca doa belum? Dia main.
Which one?
Wow. Wait, it's not focusing. Okay, we're gonna continue again. See you guys later, alligator.
Okay.
We are walking to a city hall because we're gonna take the train
Yep.
to
Alexandra
Red Hill.
or Red
Mana
Hill.
ada Alexandra?
I don't know.
Sekejap, let me see.
But we are going to Alexandra.
Red Hill. Then we're gonna walk. Naik bus ke walk?
Can we please take bus?
Oh, naik bus. And take bus 33 to IKEA.
Yeah. So finally to our last destination.
Yeah.
Nothing much at Suntec.
Yeah.
What did we even do?
I couldn't even find like a gift for
Yeah.
my baby.
But we at least got the Toys R Us. Toys R Us. I did not get my Yumi. Yumi, why you not here?
Oh, so end up how much did we spend?
So I spent 6 plus 12, 18. $18.
I spent 6 plus 7.
13.
Yes.
She spent 13, I spent 18.
I spent $3 more lah.
I spent 2 less. I wanted to spend 150. It's okay.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
2 less. Oh, I thought $2 less.
No, 2 less. Terlalu sikit. Cause, hey. Because I wanted to buy Yumi. I like want to buy all the shades that I like. That's okay.
Cannot find. It's not there.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Zara. We are at.
Red Hill, Camera.
We are gonna take the bus now to IKEA. And it's drizzling again.
Take bus number
33. Wait, let me show you guys. Yar. Why is it like that? I think got water. Ni siapa punya fingerprint? Hello everyone. So we are
finally at IKEA Alexandra.
the toilet. Dah kenapa budak ni? Yeah, the toilet looks like an asylum for some reason. But look at the lighting though. We are now. Where is the lighting? Where is the lighting? Where is the lighting? We are now at
Yeah.
IKEA. So we got ourselves a cart. Okay, now we're gonna walk around and see what we need.
Let's go.
Let's go.
It's so dark.
Tadi dah okay. Kau buat apa, Zara? Kau buat apa? Okay.
You can hold.
Okay. So, we're going. Actually, tadi boleh ambil ni saya. Tapi tak boleh letak kamera. Dia sengit. Why is it not stable? So, let's see what we might need. I need to have like a wooden kind of vibe. And then like also like, I need a clothing rack, that's for sure. For sure. What else do I need? I don't know, it's my first time having a book. It's so exciting and scary.
What a nice knit.
Like a lamp. Sure.
But only if it's below 30 or 30.
I think ada. I think the one that I got for my room
It
is
has to be 30
like
or
below 30.
30.
Yar. Oh, the lighting is so nice here. we're just walking. Oh, walking past the mattress sofa section. Guys, I am so sad right now. The clothing rack that I want was on offer, and it's like last chance to buy it or something. But I checked the stuff and it's sold out. You know how sad that is? It's so sad. And then like it's sold out everywhere, and the only color that's left with like very limited stock is the red one, and red doesn't suit my room at all or my aesthetic, so sad. I'm gonna cry. It was so cheap too. It's like $15.90. Yeah, I'm gonna go cry now. So ended up,
I am the one who buy a lot of things.
look at the stuff that she got. Wait, can you see or not?
Dua je.
Yeah, I haven't got one, but I'm planning to get something like at least. But yeah, the main thing that I came here for, the clothing, right, is out of stock. I'm so sad. Zara, tolong aku. Mana nak cari clothing rack? Bukan saja. Yelah, aku letak kat lantai je. Bro is trying to find lights. Oh, is it battery operated? No, it's not.
Oh, you can.
Anyways. Yeah. Oh, this is so nice. I like this one. Wait, let me show you guys like my I don't even know. My basket situation. You got everything like Rattan vibes. And then this is a mixture of Zara's one and mine. This girl said she's not gonna spend on anything. It's just for me to find my stuff. But ended up she's the one that got like a lot of stuff. Fit check. So this is me after deciding on like a mirror. I decided to buy this $9 mirror.
Yes.
$9 kan?
Yes, it's $9.
Yeah. $9 mirror. So people can look at themselves. Yeah.
Good deal.
Yup, and I got all my stuff. Frames for QR code.
Not sure.
Huh? Not sure apa?
Not sure how you're going to pay for all this.
Not sure. Pay with lah. It's my first time trying the IKEA ice cream.
You read the step by step.
Huh? But she's in the good.
Okay, put your phone, place the token and press. No, press here.
Oh.
Here.
So cute.
Yay.
Oh my god, it's so cute. The pink is so nice. Okay, tastes.
It tastes like strawberry milk, right?
Look, it looks so soft.
Ah.
It's so soft. It's like fluffy.
Yeah, it's like a fluffy ice cream. I don't know how to explain.
It tastes like a candy.
It's like the gummy heart shape. Yang heart shape yang pink and white. Dan ada banyak gula-gula all around it. Sugar coated sour. Yuppie. Okay, whatever. Sugus maybe. Okay, say bye. I will enjoy.
Okay, we are now waiting for the bus, and we're both so tired. Tengok ni. Dia dah menguap. But the bus is only coming in 7-ish more minutes. I don't know if I can see.
Can lah.
Okay, look at all the stuff that we have to get. Oh my gosh. And we decided not to grab because
Do you want to save money?
Correct. We're in the bus and the bus driver is driving hectically. I don't even know if that's a word, but dia macam drive.
It's like he's not driving a bus.
Dia macam, I don't know how to explain, but it's like macam like
We keep on having to like support ourselves with our feet.
But anyway, look at our stuff. Wow.
You can see mine.
Mine is like on the floor and my mirror here.
And like so
Okay, dia nak buat haul dekat sini juga tau.
yeah. So for my bedroom.
Look at all our stuff. Oh my god.
Time check. 11:55 PM.
Dah lah, memanglah PM, aduh pagi pula.
Manis.
So how much did we spend in total today?
For me, I spent 109.
Check.
She spent close to
What?
200 lah. 200 lah. I spent 109 lah.
Correct. Oh.
200 lah. Almost 190.
Holy shit.
Esok nak beli apa? Nak duit lah. Ada duit ke? Esok
Allah ada.
like, share and subscribe.
Subscripsi.
Jangan like, share, subscribe.
See y'all. Oh my god, see y'all again. Bye. Check. Dia the transition now.